Hey everybody, I'm Pete Nowoski and welcome back to another awesome episode of the Nowoski Performance YouTube channel. I'm telling you what, everybody, we have got something special in store for you coming up right here, right now. Check this out. I have a 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide next to me, and we are gonna take this thing to the next level. I'm telling you what, it's already a next level bagger. This is a 24 Milwaukee-Eight 121 cubic inch engine with a Trass Stage 2 turbo on it. Now, I built this bike already. We upgraded the cam chest, put the turbo on, chain drive, Thunder Max, ECM. This thing is a ripper, but Steve is taking it up another notch. We are making this a 143 cubic inch big power turbo Harley Road Glide. That's right, this is gonna be one of the biggest, baddest baggers ever to hit the dyno here at Nowoski Performance, and you're gonna get to see it all happen here on our channel now. So, we're gonna get at it, and Scott and I are gonna get this thing tore down for all these amazing upgrades. A full 143 engine build, transmission, all Nowoski suspension components, and brakes to make sure this thing handles and stops as good as it performs. So, follow along as we take this Harley Road Glide to the next level.
Now to help keep our bolts nice and organized, we got these little trays. Just put your bolts in the locations they came off, so that way we can put them right back on where they go.
All right, everybody, as you can see, we're making a lot of progress on this bike. Scott and I are both so excited about this project. We've been working for about 2 hours now, and we have a whole lot of the components removed from this motorcycle. We have the cassette removed, the transmission cassette, the whole primary. We have the turbo off, and the throttle body and a bunch of engine components. You can see what's going on here, right? We're getting it tore down, and we're getting ready to pull the engine out of the bike. So that's kind of a big moment for any of you all that work on motorcycles. You know, pulling that engine in or out, there's something about that moment. So we are getting ready to pop this 121 out of here, and we're gonna keep moving on the project. So here we go. All right, everybody, look at that. We got this Milwaukee-Eight engine on the bench. Like I said, this is a pretty big moment when you separate the powertrain from the chassis. Here we got it on the bench, and we're gonna keep rolling. The engine's on the bench, the cassette is out. We're getting this baby tore down here. Scott and I still have a lot to do. We need to get the swing arm out of here. We need to get the suspension off of it and get everything cleaned up and keep rolling. The teardown commences. All right, everybody, check this out. This 2024 Road Glide is literally tore down to the frame. I mean, there's a few pieces hanging on here, but in 2.5 hours, Scott and I got this thing tore down. I mean, there's parts all over the shop, but this is the level that we're going to with this bike, literally another level. Like, everything is getting addressed. The powertrain, the engine, the transmission, the suspension, the swing arm, the chassis, everything. This is a heavy hitter motorcycle. And we gotta have it done by Sturgis, which is like 2 weeks away.
While we have everything out, everything's easy to get to. We like to clean the frame, get the road grime off of it. It gives you a time to check things out, make sure there's no cracks or anything in the frame itself, and in the welds, and check all the wiring that you're going to need. But main thing is get it cleaned up, get all the road grime off, and makes it a lot easier when we're installing the new parts.
All right, so here is where we are at. We have this motorcycle completely tore down. Every single nut and bolt and piece has been removed. And Scott and I, although we got this motorcycle tore apart in like 2.5 hours, we spent like at least another 6 hours prepping and cleaning and preparing everything to go back together. I mean, this is a next level build. Everything has to be perfect. And that's how we do things at Milwaukee Performance. So we took a very unique opportunity for this video, which I am very excited about. We took the opportunity to lay out every single component that's gonna go back into this motorcycle. All the upgraded pieces, all the cool stuff, and I have it all laid out like an old model car that you used to get in the box when you were a kid. I guess I'm dating myself here. But we have all the pieces laid out. I'm super excited. I wanna show you this. Check this out. Isn't this super cool? Look at all these performance parts. I mean, when you get it all in one place laid out like this, it just looks so awesome. This is just an opportunity that you don't get very often. All right, so check this out. First of all, I want to highlight the fact that this bike is getting our new Milwaukee inverted cartridges along with gold Pro 1 tubes. And then we have 13-inch remote reservoir shocks over there, black resi mounts, and a Dominator swing arm going on. That's going to get this bike riding and handling proper. Here is the power plant. This is a complete Dark Horse Man of War crankshaft in S&S cases. We have Ward Performance 143 top end kit, Ward Performance heads, special for this 143, S&S 3-stage oil pump, S&S lifters. We have our Ward camshaft here. This motor is gonna rock. We got the Figurati reusable filter on here and Figurati dipsticks for the engine and transmission. And of course, this Trask Performance Stage 2 Assassin turbo system. That's what's really gonna give this thing the grunt. And we got a complete upgraded clutch there, Trask basket and springs and power plate, a full R&D transmission here, +1 oil pan by Gilby's to get a little extra oil into this thing. G-brake rotors, get those upgraded, and then we got some Hoffman carbon over there on the other side. But oh, and then ARP fasteners by Bamco throughout here. So there you have it. That's a lot. This is a lot of performance stuff. It's gonna make this thing rock and roll. So there you have it. We got this thing tore down, cleaned up, and ready to put back together, and Scott and I are getting anxious. We wanna build this beast. So if you like what you see here, make sure you like and let us know what you think in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want performance Harley parts like we use here, go to Milwaukee.com and get yours today.